Welcome friends, this is Dr. Prashant Patil, Associate Professor, Department of Mathematics, Jain College of Engineering,
Dear students,
Belagavi.
in this video I am going to solve another example on a conservative force. Conservative force is nothing but again a irrotational force. Let me read a question here. If F is equal to x plus y plus az into bracket I plus into bracket bx plus 2y minus z into j plus x plus cy minus plus 2z into k, then find the ABC, the constants ABC such that vector F is conservative force field, and hence find its scalar potential. Here conservative force is nothing but a irrotational force, irrotational vector. We know that conservative force, the force F is said to be conservative or irrotational, if curl of F is equal to 0. Therefore I have to find out curl of this vector F now. Okay, therefore curl of F is equal to del cross F, that is defined by determinant I, j, k, first row. Second row elements are coefficients of del, that is dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z, and the third row are coefficients of F of ABC, that is x plus y plus az, bx plus 2y minus z, x plus cy plus 2z. This determinant I have to solve and equate it to 0 and then find the values of A, B, C. Let me evaluate this one, which is equal to I into dou by dou y of x plus cy plus 2z minus dou by dou z of bx plus 2y minus z minus j into dou by dou x of x plus cy plus 2z minus dou by dou z of x plus y plus az plus k into dou by dou x of bx plus 2y minus z minus dou by dou y of x plus y plus az. This is how to evaluate the determinant. Let me simplify this and take the partial derivatives. I into partial derivative of this one with respect to y, 0 plus c plus 0 minus dou by dou z of partial derivative to z will become minus 1 minus j into dou partial derivative with respect to x will become 1, and here partial derivative to z will become minus z will become a, plus k into partial derivative with respect to x is nothing but b, other terms are 0, and here partial derivative y will become 1. This vector is equal to 0, and the vector is 0 provided the coefficients of I, coefficient of j equal to 0, which implies c plus 1 is equal to 0 and 1 minus a is equal to 0 and b minus 1 is equal to 0, which implies c is equal to minus 1, a is equal to 1, b also is equal to 1. Are the values of a, b, c, where F is irrotational or conservative force. Then using this, I have to find the scalar potential. How to find the scalar potential now? Okay. Now vector f will become, to find the scalar potential phi such that vector f is equal to del phi. That is the meaning how to find the scalar potential phi. Then vector f is what and del phi is what? Okay, vector f is nothing but, I will put the values of a, b, c in the given function f. Therefore vector f is equal to x plus y plus az. A is nothing but 1, therefore it is z into I plus bx. B is nothing but again 1, x plus 2y minus z into j plus x plus c. C is nothing but minus 1, therefore it will become minus y plus 2z into k. That must be equal to, this force must be equal to del phi. Del phi is defined by dou phi by dou x into I plus dou phi by dou y into j plus dou phi by dou y into k. Then using this, and two vectors are equal here. Two vectors are equal, f and del phi. Therefore the coefficients of I also must be equal, coefficients of j must be equal, and coefficients of k must be equal. Using that, I have to find the values of phi here. Okay. Equating the two vectors, I am going to get it as dou phi by dou x equal to x plus y plus z, dou phi by dou y equal to x plus 2y minus z, dou phi by dou z equal to x minus y plus 2z. Now to find out phi here, let me integrate with respect to x and y and z as a constant I have to treat. Therefore phi is equal to, while integrating with respect to x, it will become x square by 2 plus yx plus zx plus some function of y comma z. Like that, this one I have to integrate with respect to y and x and y, x and z as constants I have to treat. Therefore phi equal to, I am going to get here, I am integrating with respect to y, constant, x is constant, therefore xy plus 2y, 2 into y square divided by 2 minus z is constant, therefore zy plus some constant of integration that I will write it as f of x comma z. Okay, here 2 cancels. Then next I will integrate this one with respect to z and one more term, that is x and y as constants here. Therefore phi equal to, another phi is equal to, I am integrating with respect to z, therefore x is constant, xz minus y is constant, yz plus 2 into z square divided by 2 plus some function of x and y I have to treat. Comparing these two, all the results, comparing all phi, I am going to get phi is equal to x square by 2. Note where x square by 2 is there, here 2 cancels. Okay, then x square by 2, first I will write the common things. Xy here, xy is here, xy is not present here but it is present in the function, therefore xy plus zx present in this one, and here zx is present in the form of function, and here zx is present, plus xz plus then minus yz is present here. Here also it is present but in the form of, so therefore yz minus yz. These are the common things, and which are not common, they are also I will write, that is x square by 2 plus y square plus z square are also my required function. Therefore, this is the scalar potential for the given function. Okay, thank you friends. Another example on conservative force or irrotational field I am going to discuss here. Find the value of ABC such that vector f is equal to x plus 2y plus az into bracket I plus bx minus 3y minus z into j plus 4x plus cy plus 2zk is conservative or irrotational. Hence, find the scalar potential. Again, we know that f is conservative. F is conservative if curl of f is equal to 0. Then how to find curl of f? Curl of f is equal to del cross f is equal to 0. Okay, here del cross f is defined by determinant of I, j, k and dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z, and f is x plus 2y plus az, and dou by dou y is bx minus 3y minus z, dou by dou z is 4x plus cy plus 2z. Determinant is equal to 0. This determinant I have to solve and equate it to 0 to find the values of A, B, C. Okay. That is I into bracket dou by dou y of 4x plus cy plus 2z minus dou by dou z of bx minus 3y minus z minus j into dou by dou x of 4x plus cy plus 2z minus dou by dou z of x plus 2y plus az plus k into dou by dou x of bx minus 3y minus z minus dou by dou y of x plus 2y plus az. This must be equal to 0. Then I will solve here. I into partial derivative with respect to y will become c minus partial derivative to z will become minus 1 plus minus j into partial derivative with respect to minus j partial with respect to x will become 4 minus partial with respect will become a plus k into partial derivative with respect to x is b minus partial derivative with respect to y is 2, equating it to 0, which implies c plus 1 is equal to 0, 4 minus a equal to 0 and b minus 2 equal to 0. That implies c equal to minus 1, a equal to 4 and b equal to 2 are the values of A, B, C. Using this, I have to find a scalar potential. Okay, to find a scalar potential, phi such that del phi is equal to vector f. Okay, here del phi is equal to dou phi by dou x into I, dou phi by dou y into j, dou phi by dou z into k. That must be equal to vector f. Vector f is nothing but vector f is nothing but x plus 2y plus az. A is equal to 4z into I plus dou phi by dou I. B is nothing but 2x minus 3y minus z into j, and 4x plus cy. C is minus 1, therefore it is minus y plus 2z into k. Equating these two vectors, I am going to get it as dou phi by dou x is equal to x plus 2y plus 4z, and dou phi by dou y equal to 2x minus 3y minus z. Dou phi by dou z is equal to 4x minus y plus 2z. From these three equations I have to solve for x. That implies integrating with respect to x and treating y and z as constant. Therefore phi is equal to, I am getting here, with integrating with respect to x, x square divided by 2 plus 2xy plus 4xz plus some function of yz. Similarly, integrating this one with respect to y, that is 2xy minus 3y square divided by 2 minus zy plus some function of x comma z. Similarly, integrating this one with respect to z, will get phi is equal to 4xz minus yz plus 2z square divided by 2 some function of xy. Comparing all the three, I am going to get phi is equal to, common things first, 2xy, but xy is present in the form of function, therefore 2xy first, plus 4xz, and here xz is present in the form of function, and here 4xz is present, plus 4xz, and minus yz, minus yz is present in the function of y, therefore minus yz. Then non-common terms are x square by 2 minus 3 by 2 y square plus z square, non-common terms. Therefore this is the required potential function phi, such that del f is equal to f. Okay, thank you friends. Please subscribe my channel and give the likes. Thank you.